Imagine surviving a 100 million volt electric blast 7 times. Meet Roy Sullivan, the human lightning rod. This Virginia park ranger laughed in the face of lightning never strikes twice. From crispy toes to flaming hair, Roy's body became a roadmap for electric encounters. Eyebrows zapped, shoulders seared, legs toasted. Each strike packed enough juice to power a small city. But here's the shocking twist. After dancing with lightning 7 times, what finally got Roy? Heartbreak. In 1983, he took his own life. Talk about an electrifying life with a shocking end.